Good evening, everyone. I'm Manjula with you. Police Hero Worship Day. Tribute to the policeman who died on duty in Chennai. Every year in all the states of India, Police Veterans Day is observed on 21st October every year to pay homage to the policemen who lost their lives in the line of duty. In this regard, the Police Martyrs Day was observed today at the Police Memorial at the premises of the office of the Director General of Police as a tribute to the 377 policemen and paramilitary personnel who died across India, including Assistant Inspector A. Balu of the Tamil Nadu Police who died a heroic death during the last 1 year. During the event, Director General of Police S. Sailendra Babu paid floral tributes to the 377 policemen who died on duty across India and commemorated the deceased. Former US President Trump has started his own social networking sites. Former US President Donald Trump has been vocal in his opposition to the US presidential election, which began last November on Twitter and YouTube. Trump's account has been blocked on social networking sites, including Twitter and YouTube, for allegedly speaking out. Out of them, he created a processor called Truth Social to express his views. The processor is currently in beta and is expected to be operational within the next first quarter. Union government employees will be offered a 3% pay rise from July 1. Union government information. The union government sees 47 lakh employees will benefit from the 3% increase in the rate of pay for union government employees. As a result, it has been reported that the first 3% increase in the rate will be paid in advance from July 1. How is the noise of Mars? NASA spacecraft registered and dispatched. NASA, the US space agency, has sent a rover Perseverance to Mars to study whether there were any ancient creatures on Mars. The spacecraft was sent to study the soil, rocks on the surface of Mars. The spacecraft, which was launched on July 30 last year, successfully landed on Mars on February 18 last year in an area known as the Jezero Valley. NASA selected the Jezero Valley area for exploration because scientists thought there might be evidence of water levels in this particular valley based on photographs previously taken by orbiters sent by NASA. A few days ago, NASA released photos of Mars taken by the rover of the Perspective spacecraft. The mountains, rocks and fossils on the surface of Mars can be seen in these photos with an unprecedented quality. At this point, the Perseverance spacecraft sends to Mars the sounds recorded on Mars by means of a microphone mounted on the rover instrument. The recorded noise was sent to Earth as the rover climbed over the gravel on Mars, and the rover was broken by the rover's radiation. NASA says it has been recording more than 5 hours of noises sent from Mars, all of which could be useful for the next phase of research. Human fitted pig kidney physician record. For the first time, doctors have achieved the feat of fitting a genetically modified pig's kidney into a human test. Doctors said that the kidney was functioning better. As humans have had organ transplants, there have been ongoing experimental attempts to fit animal organs into humans. In this case, the medical team in New York City, USA, has made a record by transplanting the genetically modified pig's kidney into the human body as a test attempt. A woman has been admitted to NYU Hospital in New York City with kidney failure and a brain hemorrhage. The kidney was fitted and examined with the permission of relatives. Doctors said the newly fitted pig's kidney in the woman's body was functioning well and was excreting the right amount of urine. Furthermore, it has been reported that there is no resistance in the human immune system. Doctors commented that this test, which matches animal organs to humans, will move to the next level, helping to alleviate the shortage of human organs. Sudden light emanating from Jupiter. Scientists study. Scientists are studying the sudden light on Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is the largest sphere in the solar system. Jupiter, one of the closest planets to Earth, has many times more gravitational pull than Earth and has many submoons. Jupiter's high gravitational pull also protects the Earth as a mass of rocks orbits it. Scientists in Kyoto, Japan, have discovered and shared a massive eruption on Jupiter on October 15. This information has also been confirmed by French scientists. Astronomers are investigating whether the light was caused by the meteorite collision on Jupiter or some other cause. Have a memorable day. See you again. Thank you.